Hello everyone, a very good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. In this video, we'll be analyzing Nifty Bank for tomorrow, that is 23rd of January 2023. Till now, I used to analyze Nifty, and if you are able to see my previous videos, which I have been uploading in this month specifically, every day, whatever analysis we share, we discuss on this YouTube channel, market is respecting that. So as per the request of some of my YouTube members, or you can say the members who have joined me on Telegram, if you are not part of that Telegram group, you should be a part of that Telegram group. On the request of some of the members, I have started this also so that I can share you a bank Nifty analysis as well. So I just like Nifty, I'll try to be regular in bank Nifty as well. And in this video, you will be learning about how to read the charts, how to understand that what market is doing right now, what is the chart telling you, what is the story the chart telling you, and some very important levels which you should keep in mind while trading. Because as per my trading style, the people who know me, as per my trading style, they very well know that when we take trade on major key levels, the chances of losses reduces. And even if you hit a loss, the amount of loss is very minimum as compared to the profits we generate. So now let us start the analysis of Bank Nifty. This is our first video in Bank Nifty. So I'll be looking the chart into detail. So video might be more than 10 minutes to less than 15 minutes, but yes, it will be a all quality content. So when we look at the daily chart of Bank Nifty seems to be comparatively stronger than Nifty right now. From the last 4 trading days, apart from the third last day, all the 3 days have been a doji. Over here, this level over here, let us highlight those levels so that you can understand that what are those levels. I'll be speaking up those levels. You can see that this level over here, which I'm highlighting with the pen, has been working as a major resistance for Nifty. This level is somewhere around 42,000, you can say 700. 42,700 ka level is an important level which has been working as a resistance right now. On the downside, the market is forming, or you can say following a trend line like this. You can draw it with the help of some drawings. I'm just drawing with free hand. I'll be drawing proper levels in a while in this video only. But on the downside, market is respecting this trend line. Okay, so abhi ke liye this is important, and from the top, market is forming this kind of pattern. So seeing the chart of Bank Nifty right now, it does not seem that a big breakdown can be seen. Till the time market is above this trend line, the lower forming trend line, does not seem so that the market is giving any signal of breaking down. So next rally or next down movement can be led by banks, because from the last 4 days the movement has not been that significant. We are in a very closed range. If we can see that it's a kind of a triangle pattern formation over here, and the trend is to be decided in a day or two. So we can get a good movement in Bank Nifty. Now let us go to the hourly chart and draw some important levels. I have already drawn some of the important levels for you. Guys, whenever you trade in any stock, any index, always make a point that you identify some of the key levels. Key levels are those levels from which the market has reacted significantly. You need not draw every support or resistance. Just without zooming out the chart, this chart which is available to you on the screen, without zooming out like this, just try to identify some of the major levels. If you can see, I've already drawn those levels. Starting from the top, you can see market has reacted twice, thrice over here. Then market has recently reacted 1, 2 and 3 over here. Then the downside, market has reacted 1, 2, 3 and 4 over here. And then this was a major reaction by the market. So only 4 levels which I will be considering for my trading setup on Monday. I usually don't trade Bank Nifty. There are chances that I also don't trade it on Monday. But yes, the analysis can be shared, and this is how if I would have traded in Bank Nifty. Okay. So it's all about learning first of all. If you're not trading, then also it's okay. But try to learn something from the video. Now let us move to the 15 minutes time frame. you can see that the market has been respecting a particularly trend line over here, which has been respected thrice in the previous history. In the last 2-3 days, market has respected this trend line thrice. In the last 15-minute, market has formed an important, you can say, a rejection candle or a hammer candle just at the support. Okay, and we are at one of the major level which we identified on hourly. Now what should be the trading setup? How should we trade this market? Whether we should take a call, whether we should take a put, we will understand everything. I'm zooming in the chart a bit. You can see that as compared to Nifty, the chart of Bank Nifty is a bit strong. But if Bank Nifty breaks down this doji, the low of this doji, that can also lead to the breakdown of the channel pattern which I showed you in Nifty. If you haven't seen that video, you should see it because there is a lot of learning involved in that video as well, and it will give you a great learning. Now you can see that in Bank Nifty, the chart patterns have hardly broken any low except the last 2 15-minute candle has broken the low over here. Till the time the market was moving up, it was creating this kind of pattern over here, and it gave a breakout over here. One more important thing which I yesterday told you in the Nifty video, the formation of the M pattern. This is my favorite kind of M pattern. I told you in the yesterday video as well. The M pattern is forming somewhat like this. The low is creating at a lower, the second low is lower than the previous low, and this is more negative than a normal, you can say, double top pattern. So you can see that a declining, or you can say declining slope double top pattern has been created over here, and if we get a breakdown of this pattern, we can see a down movement at least till this level. Now what are these levels? Let us see on the chart. We'll see all the three scenarios. So we can come down to 42,370, and right now we are at 42,514. Now what should be the trading scenario? How should we trade? As you all know that on the chart we are at an important level, right? Then the market is forming a double top. If I say you that you can take a call from here, your minimum or your maximum target right now can be this area. The reward over here seems to be very small, but where should be the stop loss? The stop loss can be below this area or this area. The risk to reward is not favorable. So always make it a point that never buy on resistance. NBOR, never buy on resistance. This is the worst thing a trader can do. Now let us consider all the three scenarios, taking 5 more minutes, and understand that how market can perform. If market opens flat, we are on a trend line, we already discussed. And after opening flat, breakdowns below the low of this hammer candle, which is exactly, let us mark, it is 42,470. If market breaks below 42,470 and closes below this, then it can take the market down to this area. That is 42,370, 100 points from the close below this candle. The stop loss can be at a very safer place. You can see that this area over here was working as a support. Then twice it worked as a support. Then we had a breakdown. Earlier also there was a resistance over here, and somewhat over here also we had this big rejection from here. So stop loss can be placed above this after a breakdown over here. So risk to reward will be slightly more than 1:1.3, 1:1.5, right? So this can be trading scenario number 1. If market opens flat and goes down, we have discussed. If market opens flat and went above this area but stays in this range and finds some rejection, this is the range of the second head of the double top, or you can say the second top. If market faces some kind of rejections over here and then breaks down the candle, then also we can think of taking a put only, not a call. Any call will be taken above the high of this second top only, because there is a bearish pattern and this pattern need to be invalidated. Market will take some time to cross this area because this area has been respected many times in the past. So this is a very important area. You can mark it on your screens as well. right? So if market opens gap down, below the low of this hammer candle, and spends some time over here and is not able to go above this area and break downs, then we can keep a stop loss above this and the minimum target this low, this rejection candle from here, because it created this big candle. So it's a good support, a good resistance as well, a good support as well in the past, then a resistance, then a gap over here. So it's an important area, right? So this is a gap down scenario. Call we are looking only above this scenario only. If market opens gap up somewhere in this area, then there can be a risky situation. Let me tell you how. Right now, Bank Nifty has recently shown some negativity in the last two candles. Gap up can be a trap for the bulls as well. If market opens somewhere over this area, not above the high of the second top, we are straight away not looking for a put, not looking for a call over here, because at the downside we have this resistance trend line. Market can create some patterns over here and then move up, or market can create some pattern over here and directly move up, or market can create some pattern over here and directly move down. So we will let the market close above some important area. If market opens gap up between this area, then we'll allow the market to go above this area, that is the high of the second top, and then only go for a call. If markets open gap up, then for the downside I'll be looking to avoid, because there was negativity in the last two at least candles, but market has opened gap up. So there will be a confusion state, and it is a possibility that the market stays sideways. So if market opens gap up, I'm only looking for a call when market crosses this high. On the downside, there will be a lot of resistances, and this trend line resistance, a lot of support over here on the downside. So on the downside, I won't be looking for any kind of put in gap up scenario only, right? So this is the analysis for Bank Nifty for 23rd of January 2023. I hope you guys like this video. You guys like the price action which we study, and believe me, if you follow the plan which we share, I cannot guarantee it, but I can say with my experience that you will be net to net profit. Every day we cannot make profits. Every day we don't make losses. But when we consider the net figure which we get into our DMATs account after trading for a month, 2 months or 3 months, you have to stay with us. Then you will see that you will be seeing greenery on your charts, because we follow proper risk to reward, proper discipline. We are patient for the market to come to our level and then trigger the trade. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till the time, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.